Am I smoking, choking on the mobile?
Hello everybody! Today is an exciting day. Today we have the first ever Arson Railroad fighting match between royalty and friendship. I'm your host, Jamie the Box Tank, along with Jonathan the Box Tank, my brother, and we will be hosting today's match. That's right, Jamie. In this corner, we have the great, the greatest, the richest, the very royalist as well, Luke the Great, Royal Engine. And in this corner, we have one of the many greatest diesels of all. We have George the Diesel Engine. Alright then, now let's get started. Alright everybody, I want a clean fight. Actually, scratch that. Jonathan, you're the one with the opposites. You do it. Alright. I'm wanting an unclean match. I'm wanting biting, scratching, punching, kicking, name-calling, anything, and also any swear word that's in the book. Alright, let's get started. Vote for who will win on the comments section below this video. And next video, we'll show you who will win in the fight match. And then the next video, we'll try to show you real fight scenes. So now, let us be taken away by one of the greatest songs written by war.